The Easter decorations for the 2025 spring-summer season will feature a minimalist modern style, emphasizing the use of geometric shapes and clean lines. First color trend. The main palette will be dreamy pastel shades, such as light pink, mint green, and soft purple peel and stick wallpaper, blending together harmoniously. Second pattern and outline. Simple, flowing lines will be used, featuring pure whites, deep blacks, or soft grease self-adhesive wallpaper, abandoning excessive embellishments to create a perfect combination of minimalism and festive energy. Third, natural comfort. The trend emphasizes the use of natural materials, conveying a soothing and pleasant holiday atmosphere. Follow me for the latest industry updates.